Greetings, students. In this second video in a series on the lab report, this will focus on the second paragraph of your introduction section of the report, the objectives paragraph. Now, you don't have a lot of instructions here, just to provide a few sentences that explain the purpose of the lab. That is, why did you do the lab? One great place to look for important words to include in your objectives paragraph is the title of the lab. If you haven't included the words that are in the title of the lab in your objectives paragraph, I encourage you to do that. That will get you a long ways toward the objectives, because the title obviously is hitting on the basic concept that you're looking at in the lab activity. Now, you may find in some labs 1-2 sentences will do the trick. In other labs where there are multiple activities, it's useful to provide one overarching objective, but then also point out some of the particular objectives of the different lab activities that you completed. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the purpose of the lab is not the same thing as what you did, okay? What you did is just physically, I did this thing. But why did you do it? What was the learning that you could get out of doing that? Or the experimentation, the questions you might answer.